Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 27. Oh, the progress on this house today, friends. It almost feels like you could live in it. I'm super excited to share with you. Our wood floors have been refinished. Our tile work is complete. Our glass panels have gone in at showers. Oh, it's gonna look so good. All right, we're gonna start with a walk into the kitchen, friends, just to get a recap of where we are with all of our beautiful finishes in this kitchen space. We've got our vent hood needs to go in and our appliances, but the majority of the rest of this, short of this cabinet, which we will be fixing shortly, has been complete. Over here, we've kept our milk door and had it refurbished. Our interior door is all done. Look at how beautiful this piece is. So we picked out a nice linear piece so that it would go well with the dining room table when it comes into this space. But isn't that a gorgeous fixture, friends? We've got our ceiling fan over here in our den area. Picked out a really pretty fixture in here with our gold and dark wood details to it. Oh, looks so good. Leading up to our master bedroom space, these floors have been refinished, sanded, refinished, stained. They've got 2 coats on them. We're waiting for the final coat until we're done with work so that they can sand them and make sure that they look gorgeous when the homeowners go to move back in. But look at how pretty that stain color turned out. We did a Bonna wood floor color that is light and will maintain its light color to it. The floor, the wood won't age similarly to other products because of the product that was used, but doesn't it look so fabulous with the vinyl wood plank flooring in the rest of the house? But look at how pretty that color is. She just looks so gorgeous, and you can see all the different colors in the wood itself. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here we are walking into the master closet. Looks so good in here, and the transition into our master bathroom. They're doing some closet storage solutions in here, so we're holding off on the baseboards in this closet space until those are done. We're gonna walk in here to the master bath shower. Oh, our glass panel's in. You can barely see it, friends, but look. And we just did that as a glass panel, not door, because of the size of this space. So they have access to it. It's a very accessible shower. And we've got part of our shower set up in also. We've got a mirror in. We had holes bored through the mirror so that they meet the criteria of where the sconce light fixtures are gonna go. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful when this space is complete. But it looks so good in here. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so I turned on this light fixture here in this master bedroom hallway that leads us down here to the laundry closet. Okay, so now all the lights are on. You can see we've got this beautiful sconce here at the end of the hallway just to light up this hall space here at the end really, really nicely. And then we've got a can light fixture in there, and it's a vent fan also so that we have ventilation for what's our laundry closet. But look at how pretty the floors turned out. Oh, they did a nice job recreating this transition. They needed to tooth in some pieces here and did such a good job with that. This old cedar closet is now their laundry closet. It's gonna look so good and be such an excellent use of space for these homeowners. Friends, I needed to show you this guest bedroom because this is where you can see this transition from our luxury vinyl plank flooring into the almost 90-year-old wood flooring in this bedroom space once it got refinished with that new color. But isn't this gorgeous in here, friends? Oh, it's just so pretty. Oh, I keep showing you this bathroom because I love this tile so much, but the shower glass doors are on. Oh, it looks so good. Here, I'm gonna prop this open real quick. But we've got our shower glass door on. Oh, it just looks so good, friends. Okay, our last stop today is on this tour is through this backyard space where they have added pavers to the backyard. Here's a little French drain to help with the water and clearing water off of the space, but they've got these gorgeous pavers back here. Gonna have some beautiful outdoor spaces to enjoy here in our Phoenix sun. And look, those steps off that back door out onto this big, gorgeous patio space, friends. They're gonna infill the rest of this with plantings. Gorgeous door, all the nice patio spaces. Oh, and that garage looks so good. Completely new. Oh, and this light fixture. Oh, these beautiful light fixtures on the back of the home. They are replicated on the front of the home. They are made to look like those historic gas lanterns, but they're no longer gas lanterns. They've got beautiful LED bulbs in them, and they just look fantastic with the style of this home. We've got one here on the back, at that door, and then over there on the garage also. Tankless water heaters in, and it's looking good. But friends, oh my goodness sakes, can you believe the transformation of this space? We have neighbors doing some landscaping, which is fantastic. Taking care of their property also, which is so important in these historic neighborhoods. But I wanted to close this out from the backyard. For Coffee and Construction, episode 27 in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.